and welcome to Stephen's Quantum Kitchen. I'm your host, Stephen Bloom. What's a quantum? It's the minimum amount of energy involved in a physical interaction. What's a kitchen? Why, it's a place where you cook things. I just happened to spell it with a Q. In this show, we won't just talk about cooking, but we'll also bring in friends to talk about themselves and what they like to eat. I love food, and today's dish is satay sauce. Satay is a Southeast Asian dish that typically consists of skewered and grilled meats with various sauces, but mainly peanut sauce. And that's what I'm going to cook for you today. The peanut sauce, not the grilled meat. Now let's assemble the ingredients with the help of my technologically enhanced support system, or Tess. Tess, can you fetch the ingredients for satay sauce, please?
I'm on it.
This is a simple recipe that takes roughly 25 minutes to make. It's great if you need a sauce for something quick and you already have everything in your cupboard. You can prepare it in the microwave or on the stove. Today I'm using a microwave. Why? Because I can and it's easy. This recipe is prepared in 3 stages. The first stage is sugar, onion, garlic, ginger, butter and oil. The second stage is curry powder, chili powder, turmeric, soy sauce, peanut butter, and the third stage is coconut milk, chicken stock and lemon juice. In stage 1, we have a tablespoon of brown sugar, onion finely chopped, a clove of crushed garlic or a teaspoon of powdered garlic, today I'm using garlic granules, a tablespoon of grated ginger or a half teaspoon of ground powdered ginger, a tablespoon of light vegetable oil of some kind, like rice bran oil, any vegetable oil is okay, and 60 grams of butter, or 30 grams if you want, if you're a bit more conscious of the fat. Combine everything into a heat-proof bowl, and we're going to cook this for 5 minutes on high power in the microwave until the onion is tender. We'll give it a bit of a mix just to combine the ingredients. Now, on to stage 2. We have a teaspoon of curry powder, a quarter teaspoon of chili, which you can adjust to your liking, and a half teaspoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of soy sauce, and a half a cup of my favourite bit, crunchy peanut butter. Now that's nicely combined, you can cook it on high for 1 minute. So fresh out of the microwave, give it a bit of a stir. And now for the final act stage, we'll add in the coconut milk, half a cup, and chicken stock, half a cup, and for an extra little bit of tang, some lemon juice. Cook this for 10 minutes on medium power. Just out of the microwave, we can see it looks like it's split a little bit, but it hasn't. All you do is give it a good stir and it'll combine nicely. Tess, can you bring me today's taste tester?
Done.
Yummy. Did I get that right?
Thanks, taste tester dude. Tess, take him away.
10-4.
So today's show was short and simple. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll be posting a PDF of the recipe online, but now it's time to clean up. Tess, can you clean the kitchen, please?
There seems to be no device in the kitchen that supports that action.
What do you mean? There's a dishwasher and a sink. What's wrong with those?
I don't really care. That's your problem.
What? Just clean the damn kitchen. I gotta do something about my home automation system. See you next time.